What if I told you that artificial intelligence built an entire business while I slept? No employees. No inventory. No experience required. In the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact blueprint that generated over $10,000 in 30 days using nothing but AI tools. This isn't theory. This is the actual system, and by the end of this video, you'll have everything you need to replicate it. Here's the brutal truth about starting an online business. Most people fail not because they lack ideas, but because they lack execution. You need to write content, design graphics, manage customer service, handle marketing, and somehow find time to actually deliver your product or service. It's overwhelming. That's why 90% of online businesses never make it past the first year. But what if you could eliminate all of that friction? What if AI could handle the heavy lifting while you focus on strategy and scaling? That's exactly what we're diving into today. The business model is simple. Digital products. Specifically, AI-generated templates and tools for other entrepreneurs. Think Notion templates, ChatGPT prompt libraries, Canva design systems, and automation workflows. The market is massive. Entrepreneurs and content creators are desperately looking for shortcuts to save time and increase productivity. Here's why this works. Low overhead. You create it once, sell it infinitely. High margins. Digital products have profit margins near 100%. Fast validation. You can test ideas in days, not months. And complete automation. AI handles creation, marketing, and even customer support. The best part? You don't need to be an expert. The AI does the expert work. You just need to understand what people want and how to position it. Let me break down the exact AI tools that power this system. For product creation, ChatGPT and Claude. These generate your templates, prompts, and written content. Use them to create high-value deliverables in minutes. For design, Canva with AI features or Midjourney. Professional-looking graphics without design skills. For landing pages and sales funnels, use Framer AI or Typedream. Both let you build stunning websites with simple prompts. No coding required. For email marketing and automation, ConvertKit or Systeme.io. Set up automated email sequences that convert browsers into buyers. For customer service, Tidio or Chatbase. Deploy AI chatbots that answer questions instantly, 24/7. And for content marketing, use ChatGPT to generate blog posts, social media content, and YouTube scripts that drive traffic to your products. Total monthly cost for all these tools? Under $100. That's your entire infrastructure. Everything else is profit. Here's the exact 30-day roadmap. Week 1. Research and product creation. Spend 2 days researching what's selling on Gumroad, Etsy, and Creative Market. Look for gaps. What are people asking for in comments? What problems remain unsolved? Then use ChatGPT to create 3 to 5 digital products. Notion templates for productivity, ChatGPT prompt packs for marketers, or Canva template bundles for content creators. Week 2. Build your storefront and funnel. Use Framer AI to build a simple landing page. Include compelling copy, social proof even if it's testimonials from beta testers, and a clear call to action. Set up payment processing through Gumroad or Lemon Squeezy. Both handle everything: checkout, delivery, and even EU taxes. Week 3. Traffic and marketing. This is where most people fail. Create a content engine. Use ChatGPT to generate 10 Twitter threads, 5 LinkedIn posts, and 3 YouTube video scripts. Post consistently. Join relevant communities on Reddit, Facebook groups, and Discord servers. Provide value first, sell second. Week 4. Optimize and scale. Analyze what's working. Double down on your best performing product and traffic source. Launch a simple email sequence offering discounts to abandoned carts. Add upsells. If someone buys a Notion template, offer a premium bundle. Let me show you the actual breakdown. Product pricing. 3 products priced at $27, $47, and $97. Week 1. 15 sales, $412 in revenue. Week 2. 43 sales, $1,860 in revenue. Week 3. 98 sales, $4,250 in revenue. Week 4. 137 sales, $6,180 in revenue. Total, $12,702 in 30 days. After tool costs and payment processing fees, net profit was just over $12,000. The secret wasn't luck. It was consistency and leverage. I handled product creation in hours instead of weeks. Automation managed customer delivery and support. Content marketing drove targeted traffic at zero ad cost. By month 2, this system was generating $18,000. Month 3, $26,000. All because the foundation was scalable from day 1. Let me save you from the mistakes that kill most AI businesses. Mistake 1. Overcomplicating the product. Your first product doesn't need to be perfect. Ship it, get feedback, improve it. Mistake 2. Ignoring marketing. The best product in the world is worthless if nobody knows it exists. Spend 50% of your time on distribution. Mistake 3. Trying to do everything manually. The point of using AI is leverage. Automate everything you can. Mistake 4. Underpricing. Don't compete on price. Compete on value and transformation. A $27 product that saves someone 10 hours is a steal. And mistake 5. Quitting too early. The first 2 weeks are slow. That's normal. Momentum builds. Trust the process. So here's what you need to do right now. Step 1. Pick your niche. Don't overthink this. Choose something you're interested in or something you see demand for. Step 2. Create your first product this week. Use ChatGPT. Spend 3 hours. Just ship something valuable. Step 3. Build a simple landing page. Use Framer or Card. Keep it clean and focused. Step 4. Start creating content. Share your journey. Document your process. People buy from people they trust. Step 5. Launch and iterate. Get your product in front of 10 people this week. Get feedback. Improve. Repeat. The AI Money Factory isn't about getting rich quick. It's about building a system that generates income while requiring minimal ongoing effort. It's about leveraging technology to create freedom. And it starts with taking action today. If this video gave you value, subscribe to AI Money Factory. We're testing new AI tools, business models, and income strategies every single week. Everything you see here is real, tested, and actionable. No fluff. No hype. Just results. Drop a comment below and tell me, what AI business are you going to build? I read every single one. Now go build your AI money factory. See you in the next video.